To utilize the Quick Set 1 setting, simply slide the toggle switch down to the Q1 position. This will set the photo resolution to 8 megapixels, a 30-second timeout delay, and a 3-picture burst mode. Once set, a 15-second countdown clock will start, letting you know how long you have left before the camera is armed and ready to start taking pictures. To utilize the Quick Set 2 setting, simply slide the toggle switch down to the Q2 position. This will set the photo resolution to 8 megapixels, a 30-second timeout delay, and a 1-picture burst mode. Once Quick Set 2 is set, a 15-second countdown clock will start, letting you know how long you have left before the camera is armed and ready to start taking pictures. To utilize the Quick Set 3 setting, simply slide the toggle switch down to the Q3 position. This will set the camera to take 720p HD video with audio, a 30-second timeout delay, and a video length of 10 seconds. Once Quick Set 3 is set, a 15-second countdown clock will start, letting you know how long you have left before the camera is armed and ready to start taking video. To utilize the custom setting menu, simply slide the toggle switch down to the custom position. A 30-second countdown clock will start. Press the menu button to enter. The first menu item you'll be able to set up will be the date. To modify it, press the enter button. The month will start blinking. Use the up and down arrows to change the settings from 1 to 12. Once the setting is on the appropriate month, press the right arrow key to move to the day setting and it will start to blink. Repeat the process for day and year. Once all the information is set, press the enter button to save. Press the down arrow to move to the next menu item. To adjust the time, press the enter button. The hour will start blinking. Use the up or down arrows to adjust, then press the right arrow to adjust the minutes. Then, once again, to adjust from AM to PM. Once time is correct, press the enter button to save. Press the down arrow to move to the time format. Press the enter button to adjust the time format from the basic 12 hours to the 24-hour military format. Press enter button to save. Press the down arrow to move to the camera mode menu and press enter. This setting is used to tell the camera how it should take its images. The camera is equipped with triad technology, allowing the 3 different options to be selected by the user. With these options blinking, use the up or down arrow key to move between the options of PIR photo, PIR video, or time lapse. Based upon the selections chosen, the menu for the cameras will change. The first setting is photo resolution. This setting is used to determine the megapixel resolution of each image taken by the camera. With this option blinking, use the up or down arrow key to move between the options. Press the enter key to save. Press the down arrow to move to the PIR delay setting. Press the enter button. This setting is used to determine the length of time that the camera will wait before reinitializing the PIR sensor for the next activation. These settings can be changed between 5 seconds to 59 minutes and 59 seconds. Press the enter key to save. Press the down arrow to move to the reduce blur setting. This setting is used to determine if the camera should use the matrix blur reduction technology. With this option blinking, press the up or down arrow buttons will cause the camera to cycle between the 2 options of on or off, then press enter to save. Press the down arrow key to move to the photo burst setting. This setting is used to determine the number of photos the camera will take during its activation. The setting can be changed between 1 photo and up to 9 photos. Press the up or down arrow key to move incrementally by 1. Press enter to save. Press the down arrow to go to the camera name setting. This setting is used to identify the camera on the information bar. It can be up to 13 characters long. When the option is blinking, use the up or down arrow buttons to change the initial character. Once the blinking character has been changed, use the right arrow to move to the next character. When finished, press the enter button to confirm the name and store it. Next is the temperature setting. The setting is used to tell the camera to use either Fahrenheit or Celsius. Make your selection and press enter. Next is the info bar. The setting is used to tell a camera if the info bar should be displayed at the bottom of images and video. Simply make your selection and press enter. Next is latitude. The setting is used for the geotag of the camera. It will not be displayed on the images directly, but rather on the background image information. Use the up and down arrow buttons to change the numbers. Press enter to save. Next is longitude, and just like latitude, the information is used on the geotag information on the camera. It will not be displayed on the images directly. Use the arrow buttons to make the adjustments. Press the enter button to save. Next is factory reset. Use this button to reset the camera back to the factory default settings. Press enter to save. Next is the security key. The setting allows the owner of the camera to program a 4-character alphanumeric code to keep unauthorized people from accessing their camera settings. To change the key to an owner-operated one, press the enter button. With the option blinking, use the up or down arrow buttons to change the first digit to the preferred number or letter. Then, using the left button, move to the second digit and change it to the preferred number or letter as well. Continue this until all 4 digits are correctly set. Finally, press the enter button to secure the new code. Next is format card. The setting is used to format the SD memory card installed. With this option blinking, pressing the up or down arrow buttons will cause the camera to toggle between the 2 options of yes or no. When the yes option is chosen and the enter button is pressed, the camera will format the card, deleting any previous information that was on the card. Pressing the down arrow key will move the display back to the starting option of Setup Date. By pressing the menu button, this will return the camera back to the ready state. Test mode. This is the final switch setting and is used to test the camera's PIR sensor coverage area. When in this mode, the test camera light will blink green when the camera detects motion. This will help determine if the camera is positioned at the location that will sense motion as it passes by, cause the camera to activate in its PIR or video mode.